Hey there, foodies and tech-savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats in 2025. With the new updates this year, using Venmo for your food deliveries is faster, safer, and more convenient than ever. Whether you're craving a late-night pizza or a healthy salad, skipping the credit card hassle is a game changer. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of both the Venmo and Uber Eats apps installed on your phone. In 2025, Uber Eats has streamlined its integration with Venmo, so updates are key. Open the Uber Eats app and head to your account settings. Look for the Payment Methods section. It's usually at the top. Here, you'll see an option to add Venmo as a new payment source. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Venmo account. Once you're logged in, authorize the connection between Venmo and Uber Eats. This might involve a quick verification step, like a fingerprint scan or a one-time PIN for added security. It's all about keeping your info safe. After that's done, Venmo will appear as an available payment option in your Uber Eats wallet. Now, when you're ready to order, browse your favorite restaurants as usual. At checkout, select Venmo from your payment choices. Double-check your order details and hit confirm. Your payment will process instantly through Venmo, and you'll get a notification on both apps to confirm the transaction. It's that simple. A few quick tips. Always ensure your Venmo account has sufficient funds to avoid any order delays. If you run into issues, like a connection error, try logging out and back in or restarting the apps. And remember, with 2025's enhanced features, you can even split the bill with friends directly through Venmo in the app. Perfect for group orders. There you have it. Paying with Venmo on Uber Eats is now a breeze, saving you time and money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. What's your go-to food delivery hack? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.